Walk me through the frustration that you feel when you order a part and then it doesn't show up when it's supposed to.
Yeah. So everything's a timeline. The driver's there waiting. I call it the angry customer perspective. He's saying, where's my part? When can the repair be done? We're calling Freightliner, the dealer, whoever, waiting for our one representative to give us timeline on the part. We hear it's on the shelf or it's at a different facility. We have to ship it here. So at the same time, we're making calls, seeing if it's on the shelf somewhere else we could go pick up. Because if it's shipping, out of town, hours away, we have a tight timeline for that driver has to get back on the road. So we're shopping immediately. There's no true order of anything unless you're there talking to the parts guy and they walk back and have the part in their hand. That's the only visibility we have. Other than that, you're kind of hoping that your communication makes it to the front sales guy, to the other shop, and your order gets fulfilled. So it's frustrating. A lot of calls back and forth to the driver there waiting, to the company. The company's asking us because they have a shipment to make. The door's closed for that shipment in 4 hours, and we don't have a good answer.